You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce this name of a football club. They do basketball as well, but it's more famous for football. Serbian, in Serbia. So Serbian pronunciation, Crvena, Crvena. So essentially you could add like an E between the C and the R. Crvena, Crvena Zvezda. Crvena Zvezda. In English, if you cannot pronounce Serbian perfectly, you can say Crvena Zvezda or Zvezda. It's kind of in between. Crvena Zvezda. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.